Greetings from English Flight Academy. I hope my students have practiced the previous worksheets thoroughly. It is essential to practice. Without practice, you won't become perfect in the topics taught. Okay. New viewers are requested to subscribe to our channel English Flight Academy. Click the bell icon so that you get notifications of all the newly uploaded videos in grammar series. Click the like button and do share the video with your family and friends and let them learn English for free. In part 1, I explained you about past tense. Past tense is divided into 4 subtenses: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. In this video, you will learn when to use simple past tense and past continuous tense. Before we proceed, ये meanings अच्छे से समझ लें. Was के माने है था या थी के, थी भी आना चाहिए था वहां पर. वर के माने है थे के और did के माने है किया था. क्या आपने ये किया था? Did you do it? Did you complete the work? इस तरह से क्या आपने वो काम किया था? तो किया था जो है blend हो जाएगा. और अगर was है वहां पे तो was he angry? क्या वो गुस्से में था? Was she angry? क्या वो गुस्से में थी? ओके. Were you angry? क्या आप गुस्से में थे? इस तरह से सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का यूसेज करेंगे was, were और did के लिए. ओके. The past tense forms of be, गौर करें वहां पे was और were रहेंगे. ओके. प्रेजेंट टेंस फॉर्म्स अगर आपको याद है be के तो is, am, are थे और यहाँ पे पास्ट टेंस के लिए was और were है. पॉजिटिव के लिए आई, ही, शी, इट, वॉज का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. वी, यू, दे, वर कहेंगे. और नेगेटिव के लिए आई वजंट, ही वजंट, शी वजंट, वी वरंट, यू वरंट, दे वरंट. ओके. क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे तो वॉज ही हैप्पी या वर दे हैप्पी, इस तरह से क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे. ओके. प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. I gave some more examples to make it more clear. I am tired. I was tired last night. Okay. Present में हम I am tired कहेंगे, लेकिन past कहेंगे तो I was tired कहेंगे. Okay. You are late. आप late हो. You were late yesterday. आप कल late थे. The weather is good today. The weather was good yesterday. Okay. I hope it's clear. So, in past tense, the first tense which we are going to learn today is simple past tense. Okay, we use this tense when we talk about actions which got completed and do not have any connection with the present and are completed at the time of speaking. जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो ये एक्शन पूरी तरह कंप्लीट हो चुका है और इसका प्रेजेंट से कोई भी कनेक्शन नहीं है. Okay, she arrived yesterday is the example. उसी तरह सिंपल पास्ट टेंस और कहाँ पे यूज होगा? दिस टेंस इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड व्हेन वी रेफर टू हैबिचुअल एक्शंस इन द पास्ट. ओके. दे ऑफन वेंट टू कनाडा टू सी देयर पेरेंट्स. इस तरह से कहेंगे. अगर प्रेजेंट रहेगा तो इस तरह कहेंगे दे ऑफन गो टू कनाडा टू सी देयर पेरेंट्स. ओके. Some more examples you see. Our teacher explained tenses yesterday. That means the action got completed yesterday. Okay, it has no connection with the present. Okay, long ago the action got completed. Then we use simple past tense. In the very same way, I tried explaining with the help of tables so that you understand कि positive sentences को कब इस्तेमाल करेंगे. जब हम जो है किसी को just जो है कहेंगे कि I wrote a letter, मैंने लेटर लिखा था, या you wrote a letter, आपने लेटर लिखा था, he wrote a letter, उसने लेटर लिखा था, या she wrote a letter, उसने लेटर लिखा था, इस तरह कहेंगे. और गौर जो करने वाली बात है वो ये कि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस जब हम पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट्स कहेंगे तो वहां पे वर्ब टू का इस्तेमाल होगा. Simple past tense. Verb to will be using in positive sentences. Similarly, when we are using simple past tense in negative sentences, I did not write a letter. Please make it a point to note that. वहां पे did not के साथ verb one आएगा. यहाँ बहुत सारे students mistake करते हैं. Did not wrote कहते हैं, which is grammatically wrong. Okay, did not write, did not complete, did not speak, did not listen, did not go. इस तरह कहेंगे. ऑलवेज वर्ब वन ही इस्तेमाल होगा नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में. ओनली पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट सिंपल पास्ट टेंस के जो रहेंगे वहां पे हम वर्ब टू का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. ओके. जब हम पॉजिटिव क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे तो डिड यू राइट अ लेटर या डिड शी राइट अ लेटर, उस तरह डिफरेंट वर्ब सब्जेक्ट्स लेकर आप उसको फॉर्म कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो यहाँ पे भी जब हम क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे तो वहां पे वर्ब वन का इस्तेमाल होगा। दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नोट। ओनली पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट्स में हम रोट कहेंगे, बाकी के सभी स्टेटमेंट्स में हम वर्ब वन का ही इस्तेमाल करेंगे सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में। सिंपल पास्ट टेंस जब नेगेटिव क्वेश्चंस लिखेंगे कैसे लिखेंगे? डिडंट यू राइट अ लेटर, क्या आपने लेटर नहीं लिखा था? क्या आपने लेटर लिखा था? तो डिड यू राइट अ लेटर कहेंगे। अगर नहीं लिखा था डिडंट यू राइट अ लेटर कहेंगे। ओके, देन सिंपल पास्ट टेंस जब पॉजिटिव क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे विद क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स, व्हाई डिड यू राइट अ लेटर, आपने लेटर क्यों लिखा था? राइट, गौर करें वहां पे वर्ब वन आएगा। हाउ लॉन्ग डिड यू राइट अ लेटर, आपने कितनी देर खत लिखा था? या हाउ लॉन्ग डिड शी राइट अ लेटर, उसने कितनी देर खत लिखा था? सिमिलरली जब सिंपल पास्ट टेंस के नेगेटिव क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स के साथ, तो व्हाई डिडंट यू राइट अ लेटर, मतलब मैंने आपसे कहा था और आपने नहीं लिखा, तो मैं एम्फसाइज करके पूछ रही हूँ व्हाई डिडंट यू राइट अ लेटर, व्हाई डिडंट शी राइट अ लेटर। ओके, so simple past tense, at a glance you see, I saw the movie, I didn't see the movie, did I see the movie, didn't I see the movie, when did I see the movie, why didn't I see the movie। तो वहां पे सिर्फ पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट में आप गौर करें, अगर ब्लू कलर में आई सॉ द मूवी, जब आप जो है पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस कहेंगे तो ही वर्ब टू का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, बाकी सारे नेगेटिव में और क्वेश्चंस में आप सिर्फ वर्ब वन का ही इस्तेमाल करेंगे। दिस इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल कमिट मिस्टेक ओवर हियर। You don't do that, you please practice and then you'll get it. So now you see the second category, past continuous tense. We use this tense when we talk about actions which were in progress at some point of time in the past. Action चल रहा था past में, progress हो रहा था। Okay, my students were reading yesterday. मेरे students कल पढ़ रहे थे। Okay, were reading, you please notice, अगर वहां student रहेगा तो my student was reading yesterday. Okay, one more example, children were playing in the garden और the child was playing in the garden. तो plural के साथ were का इस्तेमाल होगा और singular के साथ was का इस्तेमाल होगा। Okay, in the same way I tried explaining with the help of tables. You just see the word order, past continuous tense, positive sentences के लिए I was playing cricket, we were playing cricket, उसी तरह दूसरे subjects लेकर आप sentences को form कर सकते हैं। Okay, then negative sentences past continuous tense के कैसे form करेंगे? I wasn't writing a letter, we weren't writing a letter. Okay, take different subjects and try to frame as many questions as you want. जब हम positive questions पूछेंगे तो was I playing cricket या was I writing a letter, were you writing a letter, इस तरह से you can take n number of verbs and form as many sentences as you want. Past continuous tense जब negative questions पूछेंगे तो wasn't I playing cricket, weren't you playing cricket, इस तरह से questions पूछ सकते हैं। Okay, then past continuous tense जब positive questions question words के साथ पूछेंगे तो why was he playing cricket या why were you playing cricket। Okay, you can frame as many sentences as you want with the help of different subjects. You can even take singular subject, why was Seema playing cricket या why were Deeba and Seema playing cricket। Okay, and then past continuous tense negative questions को देखें question words के साथ, why wasn't he studying yesterday, means I told him to do but he did not do, so I'm just asking why wasn't he studying yesterday, why weren't you studying yesterday, why weren't Deeba and Seema studying yesterday। Like that you can take as many subjects as you want and you can even take as many verbs as you want and frame the sentences in a similar way. So say it out loud in this let's talk session, where did you go yesterday। वहां गौर करें, question word did plus verb one आएगा question में, where did you go yesterday, I went to the bank, where did you go yesterday, I went to the bank, did you complete your work, no I didn't, did you complete your work, yes I did। Some more examples of simple past tense. Did they win? Yes, they did. Did they win? Yes, they did. अगर नहीं कहना चाह रहे हैं तो did they win? No, they didn't. Okay. When did they come? When did they come? They came previous week. When did they come? They came previous week. Similarly, past continuous tense just noted how long were they playing? They were playing for very long. How long were they playing? They were playing for very long. What was Nikhil doing? He was reading a book. What was Nikhil doing? He was reading a book. Past continuous tense or examples देखें and say it out loud. How long were you watching television? I was watching for 4 hours. How long were you watching television? I was watching for 4 hours. Where were they playing? They were playing in the garden. Where were they playing? They were playing in the garden. Some more examples of past continuous tense. Were you watching television? Yes, I was. Were you watching television? Yes, I was. Were they playing tennis? No, they were playing cricket. Were they playing tennis? No, they weren't. They were playing cricket. Like that you can answer. Okay. I hope the topic taught today is clear. Simple past tense and past continuous tense. In the upcoming video, we'll be learning past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Do practice. The worksheets are given plenty. You can just go through the worksheets, practice them thoroughly and become perfect in the topic taught. Okay. New viewers are requested to subscribe to our channel English Flight Academy to learn grammar series in a step-wise manner. Okay. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified about all the upcoming videos. And if you feel it's worth liking, do click the like button and do share with your members of the family and friends so that they learn English with perfection for free. Okay? So see you next time in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Happy learning.